Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a restaurant in the United States, originally founded in Chicago. It offers a delightful range of coffee beverages, along with teas and various sweet treats. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as Gloria Jeans, Gloria Jeans, Glow, Ria, Jeans, Gloria Jeans. Gloria Jeans has expanded internationally, bringing its unique flavors and cozy coffeehouse experience to customers worldwide. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Gloria Jeans, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.